अस्सलामुअलैकुम, क्या हाल चाल है व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आइए बगैर वक्त ज़ाया किए अपने पेपर की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। विच टर्म डिनोट्स पैलेस्टीनियन अपराइजिंग? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इंटिफाडा. The next question is, what is called the member of the largest ethnic group in Cambodia? The answer of this question is Khmer. Question number 3. Name the first tourist in space. दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है डेनिस टिटो. Which tree is known as crying tree? कौन सा दरख्त crying tree जाना जाता है? तो दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है रबर का दरख्त माना जाता है. Baglacher area of डेरा गाजी खान is famous for. दोस्तों डेरा गाजी खान का ये एरिया यूरेनियम की वजह से मशहूर है. Term the upsurge in racial and political intolerance in Western Europe of early 1990s. The right answer of this question is neo-Nazism. Alfred Bernard Nobel started Nobel Prize. To which country did he belong? दोस्तों अल्फ्रेड नोबेल स्वीडन से ताल्लुक़ रखते थे. When did first women compete in Olympic Games? The right answer of this question is 1912. What was Pan-Islam originated in 1880 in Ottoman Empire? The right answer of this question is Movement for Uniting the Islamic Nations. Paper was invented in about 3500 BC. Who invented the paper first? तो सबसे पहले पेपर को चाइनीज ने इन्वेंट किया था. What those laws are called that God gave to Musa अलैहिस्सलाम? दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है 10 commandments. Titanic struck an iceberg and sank during her maiden voyage from Southampton to New York City, USA in the North Atlantic. Mention the date 14 April 1912. What is Tour de France? दोस्तों इस टर्म का मतलब है कि फ्रांस में एक रेस होती है साइकिलिस्ट की, प्रोफेशनल साइकिलिस्ट की. फ्रेंच रोड रेस फॉर प्रोफेशनल साइकिलिस्ट, उससे कहते हैं टूर द फ्रांस. सीरीज ऑफ स्कैंडल्स इन अमेरिका 1972 इन्वॉल्विंग प्रेसिडेंट निक्सन एंड हिज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज कॉल्ड वाटरगेट स्कैंडल. वेयर द गोल्डन रिवर फ्लोस? गोल्डन रिवर कहाँ फ्लो करता है? दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है अलास्का, कनाडा में. Name the eminent leader of Pakistan who in 1940 took over as the first governor of Punjab and later on became the president of Pakistan Muslim League. Abdul Rabb Nishtar. Famous bridge Golden Gate is located in. मशहूर ब्रिज गोल्डन गेट कहाँ वाक़ है? दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब है सैन फ्रांसिस्को. The Earth's rotation on its axis is from west to east. Mention the shortest day in the northern hemisphere. The right answer of this question is December 22. Where the Red Square is located? Red Square कहाँ located है? दोस्तों ये रशिया के शहर मॉस्को में located है. Christopher Columbus discovered USA. To which country did he belong? क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस ने यूएसए को डिस्कवर किया था, ये खुद इटली से ताल्लुक़ रखता था. Which countries share the water of Caspian Sea? दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का सही आंसर है ईरान, रशिया, अज़रबैजान. Which of the following is known as the Bible of English Constitution? इसमें से किसको इंग्लिश कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का बाइबल कहा जाता है? दैट इज मैग्ना कार्टा. When was the second Islamic Summit Conference held in Lahore, while the first was held in 1969 at Rabat? It is in 1974. What the female astronomer Caroline Lucretia Herschel discovered? दोस्तों तो इसका राइट आंसर है 6 comets. The lens at the end of the compound microscope is called objective. What was the first seen by compound microscope? The right answer of this question is bacteria. Name the king whose revenue minister was Todarmal. दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का जो सही जवाब है वो है कि शहंशाह अकबर. The study, theory and practice of prison management and criminal rehabilitation called penology. The right answer is penology. What is the length of India-China border? इंडिया की चाइना के साथ जो बॉर्डर शेयर कर रहा है इंडिया, उसकी लेंथ कितनी है? दोस्तों ये तकरीबन 3380 किलोमीटर है. Cyprus gained independence from Britain in 1960. When was it divided into two parts, Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus and Green Cyprus? It is in 1974. Taxidermy is the art of stuffing of birds and animals, and philately is called hobby of stamp collecting. Who became the first black president of South Africa? His party was banned in 1961 and him was given life imprisonment. Answer is Nelson Mandela. Amal is radical Lebanese Shiite militant force who established it in 1970s. The right answer is Musa Sadr. Term the belief that women's subordination men should be end. दोस्तों इस क्वेश्चन का राइट आंसर है फेमिनिज्म. Mention the nickname of atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima in 1945. The right answer of this question is Little Boy. Balfour Declaration helped to form the base for the foundation of Israel 1948. This was prepared in March 1970. When was issued? It was issued 2/11/1917. Who founded Buddhism in India? बुद्धिज्म को इंडिया में किसने फाउंड किया? तो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज गौतम बुद्धा. What is bootlegging? Bootlegging क्या है? दोस्तों bootlegging टर्म एक्चुअली स्मगलिंग के से रिलेट करती है. फॉर्म ऑफ स्मगलिंग को bootlegging कहते हैं. What is cartography? Cartography किसे कहा जाता है? The right answer of this question is arts of making maps and charts. When did Challenger's 1 of 4 space shuttle program of NASA 2 astronauts become the first human beings to fly freely in space? January 28, 1986. Which religion Chinese people practice? Chinese people कौन से मज़हब को फॉलो पैरवी करते हैं? The right answer of this question is Confucianism. Term the use of military expeditions in Western Europe from 11 to 14 against Muslim. The right answer of this is crusades. इसे क्रूसेड्स कहा जाता है। The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. The heaviest dinosaur was of 51 tons and 24 from head to tail. Name it. It is called Brachiosaurus. Greenwich Mean Time was established in Greenwich Mean Time established हुआ था 1884 में। What is called agricultural trend that has greatly increased crop production in Pakistan, India and Turkey? The right answer of this question is Green Revolution कहा जाता है। What is called the killing of nearly 6 million Jews by Nazis in Second World War? Second World War में जो यहूदी नाजीज ने मारे थे इसे कहा जाता है होलोकॉस्ट। Name the youngest elected president of USA. USA का नौजवान तरीन प्रेसिडेंट जो इलेक्ट हुए थे उनका नाम जॉन एफ कैनेडी है। Homer was the greatest poet of the language namely. Homer कौन सी लैंग्वेज के ग्रेटेस्ट पोइट थे? द आंसर इज ग्रीक। Research and study that are closely related to history are called. Research और study जो history से closely relate होती है इस term को कहते हैं archaeology. The first long distance telephone line was installed in 1884. It was installed between Boston and New York. The wireless telegraphy was pioneered in 1894 by जो वायरलेस टेलीग्राफी थी वो 1894 में गुग्लिलो मार्कोनी